part A is given as logic 0 and the second input is given as logic 1 here. So see, the sum will be 0 and carry will be 0 for the input 0 part. For the logic 1, the sum will be 1 but the carry part is still 0. Let's check that. So see, in the circuit here we are given the select line as logic 0 here. That means we are selecting I naught value only from both the sets of the input. Okay. So we are focusing only on this I naught part. The first I naught part set will give sum and the second I naught part set will give carry here. So see here, the input A is given logic 1 or 0. We are giving logic 0 here. So 0 will come here. Tell me, I naught part is 0 here, the sum will be 0. And see, I naught part here, this is connected to the ground. That means carry will be 0. That means when the input is 0, we are getting sum and carry as 0. Next. Now in the next, we still have the logic 0 for the select lines, and for input A, I have given logic 1. So we have to focus on I naught or I1. Tell me, which part we have to focus, I naught or I1? Yes, we have to focus on I naught because the select line decides which input is selected. So the select line is given logic 0. That means we have to select I naught here again. The input is given logic 1. That 1 will come here. This shows the sum part. That means the sum output will be 1. See here, this part shows the carry part and this is again connected to the ground. That means carry is 0. Hence I am now giving select line as 1. That means I1 will be selected. So we have to focus only on I1 here. Okay. And again I am giving input 0 and input logic 1. Okay. And you can see here that sum is 1 and carry is 0, and in the last part the sum is 0 and the carry is 1. Let's prove it from the circuit first. We have given the logic 1 here to the select line. That means you have studied in the marks, if select line is given logic 1, we are focusing on I naught or I1. Yes, we are selecting I1. Okay. The selection is done now. We have selected I1. Okay, we are focusing only on the I1 part of both the input sets here. Next, input is given logic 0 first. See, the 0 will come here through the NOT gate. It will become 1. That means for this, the sum will be 1. Next, for the carry part, we are considering this I1. Here the logic 0 is given, that means the carry part will be 0. Okay. Next we are given the logic 1. If I am give the logic 1 through the NOT gate, it will become 0. Okay. That means the sum part will be 0 now. And here for the carry part, we are focusing on this part. Okay. For the carry part, the logic 1 is coming as a feedback from here, right? And this carry part will be 1 here. So you can check here, we have satisfied the truth table from the circuit. Now let's see if the connections which we made are satisfying this truth table or not.